So the trickiest part about the twitching jig is really the reeling technique, and it's a lot like if you've ever walked the dog with a bait. There's that certain cadence to how your rod moves and you pick up the slack. Well, this is no different. It's pop, reel at the same time. So the pop, pop. You can see that my hand is turning the handle when the rod pops up. Pop, pop, let it fall. And you're watching that rod tip. Pop, pop, let it fall. By having the right gear ratio reel, this reel brings in 35 inches of line per handle turn. It allows me to pick up the exact amount of slack to give that bait that perfect shoot, but that free fall where it falls straight down in that slow manner that marabou and rabbit hair do. And that's what triggers so many strikes. Got him. He's sitting on that rock. Atta boy.